Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down a little bit to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again to find this ringtone and sound section, and as you can see two options at the top are related with the ringtone. They are basically divided because we've got two different kind of SIM cards, so we can divide the ringtone between them and set a different ringtone for the first one and different for the second one, which is quite useful. But let me show you how to do it using the first one. As you can see, after tapping on it, we will have this pop-out window with the ringtones which are pre-installed on this device, so we do not have a lot of options to choose from. At the top we've got the option none, which means that after picking it and setting it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And we've got also the add ringtone option with this plus symbol, and after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own files. So if you've got anything, for example, downloaded, it will appear right here or in any folder, and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But of course, let me show you, let me pick something from those ringtones. All you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it, and you will be able to check whether you like it or not. It's quite I forgot the word, whatever. So this is how to check how the ringtone sounds, and whenever you decide that you like this option, so for example this momentum in my case, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will immediately appear right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.